Hello, it's Paul. I'm going to give you a really quick, fast as I can introduction. 2020 introduction to Canva, the brilliant app Canva, where you can design all sorts of things, graphic design from YouTube thumbnails to Facebook cover art to Instagram posts and so much more, all sorts of things for your business. I'm going to fly through it. I'm going to show you the free version, even though I'm going to talk about pricing quickly first. But it is 100% free for what I'm going to show you. What would be really great is if you pause me at this point. It really helps me if you tell me why you're here, tell me what you're watching for, and if it's not in this video, I can share links to other things that might be more relevant, or I can post something in my forum that will help you out, and that really helps me make these videos better year on year. So just pause me now, that would be brilliant. Oh, another thing, if this video gets a little bit long, don't worry, look in the description of the video and you will see start times for each area. So if you want to do a YouTube thumbnail in Canva, look in the description, there will be a timestamp for when that starts. So check that out. And finally, if you get any value out of this video, if you really like it, then a subscribe and ring that bell would be amazing. I do introduction videos all throughout the year, trying to make your business better by giving you some great tools and introducing you to some great tools. So let's get started. Right, let's talk about pricing first, even though I'm going to show you exactly everything I use for free. I have paid for Canva in the past. I don't need it. I don't need to pay for it. I use it every day and I use it for free. So the free version, here we go, 8,000 free templates, 100 designs, social media posts, hundreds of thousands of free photos and graphics. Honestly, really cool. 99% of people may not need to pay for this. If you want to go to the Pro, it's £8.99 a month if you pay yearly. Can I switch to monthly pricing? I can't say anything. Oh, sorry, it says there. Or £11 a month. Everything free it has, obviously. Create your own brand visuals, identity, logos, colours and fonts. So what you can do is you can have a store of your logo and your colours and the fonts that you use. So you can quickly pick them up on every new design and use the same fonts. Pull your logos from a place where you've saved your logos. One-click redesign. So basically, you can do an Instagram post and then quickly resize it for a Facebook post because it's different dimensions. Or cover art. You might want to change your headers in your Facebook and your Facebook page and your Twitter header. You can quickly resize the image you've designed for a different sizing. Extra photos up to 4 million plus. Upload your own fonts and custom. If you go to the £24 version, you're looking more team management, built-in workflows, control your team members, protect any part of your design from team edits. So you can obviously lock down certain bits that can't be changed. But obviously the £24 a month version is all a lot more about getting your team interactive and maybe even project managing with a customer and showing them and getting them to sign off on a design that you're creating for them. So that's just quick info in pricing. We are talking about the free version here though. All right, let's log in and have a walk around. You can sign up pretty easily. I mean, I'm not going to show you how to sign up. I'm just going to log into my Canva. Oh no, up here, look, log in. That's to sign up. There you go, it remembers me. And let's have a quick walk around of what you see. So, firstly at the top, you're going to see create a design. What you're looking to do, animated social presentations, posters, t-shirts, there's all sorts, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, which is what I use it. 99% of everything I use is for thumbnails and channel art, email headers, all sorts of things. That was cool, what was that? Oh no, didn't mean to click on it. Slideshow videos, Tumblr graphic. It's everything you need to design for will be in here, and you can just quickly click on any of these to get started. I'm gonna do a design from scratch in a minute. You can see everything that I've used Canva for. So a lot of these are YouTube thumbnails, a couple of Instagram posts, the square ones, again some Facebook posts. But 99%, as I say, of the things you'll see are my YouTube thumbnails. But you can quickly jump in, click, jump in, edit your previous posts. If you're going to use the same sort of template, you can quickly make a copy. iCloud storage is full. I need to just mess about my iCloud storage. Quickly make a copy. Let's go back to the home page. You can see again the templates. If you want to do it the reverse way round, you can search for a photo. Say I do a golf or something, you can search for a photo. I'll come back to this in a minute. These are paid. I think you pay $1 for each one that you use. Or you might find some free. Let's have a look. Or you will see free options to use. Sod's law, I did it earlier and the first few ones were free, but this time it's showing paid. Oh, there you go. This one. So you could use this for free. You can download the picture, or you can start a design using a design and create straight from scratch, which again we'll show you in a minute. So really cool. Oh, get off. Apps I don't really look at. I haven't really gone into apps, but there's obviously funky apps that are linked into Canva that you can use emojis and different effects and things. I'm not going to go through that because I don't really know it enough. Here's your brand kit if you've paid, where you upload your logos, you select your colours, you upload your fonts. That's for the paid version. Like you're going to say upgrade here. Design school, some tutoring, some blog stuff, some ideas, and your team. Inviting your team members that are allowed in. Again, a lot more features on the paid version, and anything that's been in your trash or different folders you've set up. But you're basically going to dive in right from the home page, create a new layout, create a new design, and fire in. That's what we're going to do next. Right, so let's design something from scratch. Let's look at templates and see what we're going to do. So I use it, and I think a lot of people watching this, and tell me what you're using it for. I can give you some ideas. I can maybe create a separate video for you. But I use it for YouTube thumbnails. So I think if you type in here, YouTube thumbnail, right? And we're going to get some ideas. How to stay healthy. Do you want this bold, where you can put a picture of you? Is it a travel vlog that you want to put in? Something like this. Game strategies. Morning motivation. So you can see there's lots and lots and lots of different templates that you can get ideas from, that you can quickly edit your to your needs, right? So let's say you're doing a vlog or something like this. Let's go with this one. How to stay healthy this summer. So it's going to automatically drop all that information in, right? And you can change everything here. You can change the squiggle. You can change the colour. So what colour do you use here? I use blue. I want to change this background here to this blue. How to stay healthy. I can go up here. Change the font. I use Fredoco One. I could change the writing. Let's change it to winter. I can easily log in. Doesn't quite fit, does it? So let's just try and get that on. There you go. Resize it. You can obviously change this image. That's not me. So I can go to my uploads here and see my past uploads. And find a picture. There you go. I actually use this for something I did when I messed up on the internet. How to stay healthy this winter. And I can send that to the back, right? Position to the back. Maybe move this across a bit. I want it to be a little bit more over that line. Oh, no, other way. That way I want it to be almost, that's it. I might want to make it bigger. I might change this because that picture, Command Z. I might change this to don't make my mistakes. Like my fit is it mistakes. This. Yeah. And I can go up here, highlight all this, edit. In fact, what you can do now is actually just change the size of one word. Don't make my mistakes this year. You know, if you've got any other stuff in here, you've got any other logos. Where's my logo? See, I use it all the time. You know, you can see all the things that I've used. It's quite interesting going back for the past of things that I've tried to do with Canva. And you know, you go back through your history of pictures you've added and things you've tried to use. I'm looking for my name here in black. The only thing that you can't really do is search past logos or past images, and you cannot re-upload it. But come on, I'm looking for a black. See, everything I've done, obviously I've used it for years. I've only paid for 1 month, and that was just to trial the teamwork. Holy crap, I must have gone past it. Oh, there it is. The minute I say I must have gone past it, here it is, right? So I could put in my logo, stick it in, and you're done, right? And that's it. You download it. You probably want to do it as a JPEG file for YouTube because the PNG is a little bit too big. You could use the PNG, but you'd have to resize it. And here you go. Here's my YouTube thumbnail done within what? 10 minutes, 5 minutes? Not even that, right? So easy to use, so cool to use, right? And you can rename that as well. You can rename it up here. Paul's 2019 mistakes. And you can post that to Facebook. You can post it to whatever you're going to post it to, Twitter. But as you say, that now for the video that I'm going to make is my YouTube thumbnail, right? Really cool. Right, let's talk about, oh man, how can I get back to that now? Here we go, here it is. Let's talk about changing certain images for, let's get rid of that and then go up here and go to images, right? Go to photos, the top one, Paul. Type in mistake, right? Let's do a mistake. See what comes up. There's this one, but that's free. So you can put that in. That's a free stock image you could use. And then you can see the pounds here. And I don't know what the crown means. Get this image and millions more with Canva Pro. All right, so you need to sign up for Canva Pro for that one. And this one's going to say 99 pence, right? So if I wanted to find, here you go, this image. It would put these crossed hairs above you, right? And oh, you could resize it. Remove watermark. Here we go. Premium image for £1, so you can purchase it, right? Oh, I've probably just paid for that. So that now that's fair enough. That removes the lines, right? So you see the lines? Let me do it again. So the lines are on the paid version. You haven't paid for this yet. But now if you want to use stock image, like there, I've just got an email saying you've paid. There's your Canva payment, 99 pence. And let me get rid of this. So now I don't have to use, how do I select it again? It's just going to the background, isn't it? That's all right there. Trying to get to it, aren't I? Is that it? There we go. There we go. Oh, a bit too far. I think I've set it as the background, that's why. Right. So now I can download that. I'm not sure how long you're allowed to download it for. You cannot use that in another design, right? You can only use it in that one design. This is how Canva's making its money, and understandable, right? So now I've got that image, but it's cost me £1 to do. Still, not bad, is it? So, but if I go now back to home, do another template. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Where are we going to go? If I go back to here, YouTube, thumbnail, click again, remove that and go mistake. I haven't paid for now this is my understanding. Oh, let's go back to photos. mistake. I haven't paid for that on every single item. Where is he? Right, it's going to go back to like this. So don't think that I'm going to be able to pay for this once and then use it on every item. It's going to cost you every single time you try to use it, right? But I think that's still good value for that extra image, extra sort of stock photo, spicing up your videos, making it look better. It's a good idea, right? Right, let's do another quick example. I think you're getting the gist though. Let's do a Facebook cover. So let's go Facebook cover. You might want to do a Facebook app ad or a Facebook ad, but we're going to do a Facebook cover. So this is for your profile picture. And you can go again and look and see what you want to do. Let's pick a template. A little lady is on her way. Seth and Jane. So again, you can pick whatever sort of, anything that catches your eye. Weekend sales. So if you've got some sort of, so yeah, let's go with this one. You've got a weekend sale coming up. You know, quickly edit this, right? Jan 2020. Put your website in. You can edit these elements, right? These elements are up here. You know, you can add elements. You can add sort of arrows. If you want to put in things to edit things and, you know, mess about. Yes! Lots of free items, lots of free things you can add. You can split a picture, you can add a different areas. Command Z it to get rid. Control Z if you're on a computer. Right, stickers. This is free. If you're saving a video, it will probably move, but if you're saving a picture, I don't think it's going to do that. You know, charts, lines, all sorts. You know, you can go through and again, if it's got the crown, you've got to pay for it. But you can upload your own things, upload ideas, add text, add a text here. Visit today, resize it, you know. And what happens with text as well, it will give you some ideas of text. Look, if you wanted to just jump in and put hugs and kisses like that, and then you can edit the size and move it down, make it smaller, make it really small. Do it. I think you'll be probably used to being able to how to work your way around, drag and drop, sort of these sort of things, right? And then be able to remove things. Add things, add a subheading, elements, photos again with been to. Any templates, if you don't want to use that, just pick a different one, replace. Start from scratch, I don't fancy that. And again, there's paid templates and free templates, right? So you could quickly play around with all these templates, right? So that one is a paid one because you have to pay for these two images, right? But you can replace the image with your own, right? So go to uploads, add, I did an interview with Smitty, Command Z, Control Z puts it back, this was his logo. Oh, really easy. You want to upload a new image? I haven't really got any. I don't know if my mat on my. Oh, it is. Yeah, if you want to upload an image, as a Happy Me Black PNG, and it will upload it. So anything on your computer you can upload and add to your design, even while it's uploading. So it's really easy, really simple to get to know how to use it. It's very intuitive. There's not a lot of things to click on or work out. There are filters at the top and things like that. So I think you're getting a gist. There's a lot more things you can do. I just wanted to give you a beginner introduction. I think you get the point. You just come. If you can't find, your basic cover, a lot of the most popular ones are here. Social media. You're going to want to do an Instagram. You want to do an Instagram post. Again, there's the templates. Change the pictures. Post to Instagram. Really easily. 100% free. I don't pay for anything you've shown you in this video. Sorry. I paid for something in this video. But if you use your own images, use your own text and your own... use the basic fonts, but you obviously your own writing. There's nothing to pay for. The basic templates are really cool. They're not basic at all. They're a lot funky. They're very funky, National Hugging Day. So many ideas, so many things. You can put this up. Christmas has just gone past. They're gonna make these designs relevant to the time of year. So if it's near Mother's Day, there's probably a lot of Mother's Day things, Valentine's Day, stuff like that. You will get those sort of templates coming up first. But I think it's really, really cool. I use it every day, and thanks to the Canva team for providing such a cool tool, free to everybody. Any questions, write in the comments. There's probably a lot of things I've missed. I just wanted to give you a beginner introduction. Start with Canva, save yourself a lot of time, save yourself some money because it's free. And as I say, ask me any questions. Have a great day and rest of the year. And if you've got anything else you want me to do an introduction on, write in the comments and I will jump on it. Cheers.